In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs inaugurates large residential township project in Bal with $115 million investment. 64 kilometers of Tapi pipeline laid inside Afghanistan. And Putin arrives in China on an official visit. Welcome to the news package. It's Wednesday, the 3rd of Zulhijjah al-Haram, 1447, the 30th of Saud, 1405, and the 20th of May, 2026. The news details. Mullah Abdul Ghani Brother Rohan, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, has inaugurated large residential township project in Balkh province with an investment of $150 million US. Speaking at the inauguration ceremony, the Deputy Prime Minister stated that the Islamic Emirate is giving a special attention to country's economic independence, the attraction of domestic and foreign investment, and the implementation of major infrastructure projects. Mullah Brother Rohan, the Deputy Prime Minister, also emphasized the importance of cooperation between the private sector and government in ensuring economic stability and rebuilding the country. Based on the Office of the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, Lajvar Residential Township will include 1,448 residential apartments along with other facilities and is expected to create employment opportunities for nearly 7,000 people. Officials in Herat province state that construction work on Tapi project inside Afghanistan is progressing steadily and at a rapid pace. In accordance with the local authorities, 64 kilometers of pipeline have so far been laid, while another 125 kilometers have been prepared for installation. Muhammad Yusuf Saidi, the spokesperson for Herat Provincial Administration, stated that approximately 500 meters of new pipeline are being installed on daily basis. The news continuation. Maulavi Motiul Haq Khalis and his accompanying delegation during their visit to Azerbaijan toured the state-owned Tamiz company. During the meeting between Afghan delegation and company officials, discussions were held on environmental protection, urban sanitation, and the expansion of bilateral cooperation, with both sides emphasizing the importance of exchanging experiences. As part of the 13th International Urban Forum, the Afghan delegation also visited the Urban Expo and participated in a special session on Afghanistan organized by the United Nations Human Settlement Program. And ultimately, Vladimir Putin has arrived in Beijing, the capital of China, on an official visit. In a statement, Kremlin expressed that the president of Russia and China are expected to discuss bilateral relations, a strategic partnership and cooperation between the two countries. According to the statement, following the talks, both sides are expected to sign a joint statement at the highest level, along with a series of intergovernmental, interagency, and other bilateral agreements. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.